Have you ever noticed that the majority of tattoo artists seem to be in their 30s, whereas with other art forms such as like painting and sculpture, the best artists are more in their 50s and 60s? Why is it that a tattoo artist seems to be so young? In this video, we're going to look at the key reasons why I believe that tattooing is a young person's game.
Oh, good morning.
Hello.
Think about it. You're sitting in an unusual position for a long period of time. Your back is hunched.
Tattooing is different to other art forms in the fact that you're not sort of seated in the same place every time. You know, you're kind of hovering over someone on a day-to-day basis. As a tattoo artist, you do tend to get a lot of back pain, and after 10-20 years of doing that, it comes to a point where you have to say, okay, I can't do this job anymore because it's too demanding.
They get in this career really young and they have no idea what the toll is going to be on their body.
So is that a reason though, or is that just the tip of the iceberg? Another reason could just be stress of the job. Tattooing is for other people, it's not always for yourself. So you're always dealing with people on a day-to-day basis. It's a stressful job. I mean, at the end of the day, you're inflicting pain on people every day, and you're having to deal with their emotions and dramas. So that is going to get you after a while. So I can imagine that some people after 10-20 years are just like, do you know what, I'm not particularly enjoying this job anymore just because I'm just done with the people, you know. So that could be another valid reason for tattoo artists retiring early. But another one could also be vision problems. Now, tattooing is a very precise and detailed art form, depending on what style you do anyway. Obviously, if you're doing like big, bold, traditional and Japanese, your vision's probably not as, no disrespect to those artists at all, but your vision's probably not as important as if you're doing sort of micro realism or something, which sucks anyway, so I don't recommend that. But if your tattoo style lends yourself to needing very precise vision, as you get into your 40s and 50s, you know, you're going to be needing reading glasses and stuff like that to be up close to the skin and putting your lines and your detailed, intricate work in. So like, I couldn't imagine wearing glasses with your tattoos, because obviously you've got your gloves on, you're covered in like blood and ink and stuff. Like, what if it kind of slips down your nose and stuff? Like, we're getting itch. It'd be really annoying. Could it be that? Could it be vision problems? Could it be back pain? Could it be stress? Or could it be the controversial topic that tattooing is just not meant for old people because skin ages and it's just not a good canvas to do work on? So why are you going to want to be all hip and trendy tattooing young people when you're in your 60s and 70s and, you know, your own tattoos are kind of falling to bits? That's not going to be very motivating for you as an artist and as a person wanting to work in a particular field. So that is a bit controversial, guys, but let me know what you think about that.
And I'm 85 just.
So let's get to the bottom of what I think is the real reason why we don't see older tattoo artists. Now, the real reason is because tattooing has only been popular since about 2015, at least sort of mainstream, and where it's been accessible for people to get into. Before that, it was very sort of underground, and so there weren't that many tattoo artists, and the tattoo artists that there were tended to be of a certain sort of disposition. Now you've got everyday people becoming tattoo artists, and we're going to see a lot of younger tattoo artists because it's not been popular for that long. So in 10-20 years, we might start to see older tattoo artists, people who started in around 2015 or 2020 or whatever, and we're going to see those people become older tattoo artists. So give it 20-30 years, I think there's going to be tons of older tattoo artists, people in their 60s and stuff like that, you know, all the way up to retirement age doing tattoos. Probably not as many as, you know, other fields of work, but I do think there'll be a lot more than there is now. So I think that is the main reason why. The other reasons are factors, but the main reason is because tattooing hasn't been popular for that long. So guys, that is the video. Let me know what you think in the comments. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.